welcome to my channel Tech Take Easy. It's me Abdullah Ihtisham, and in this video we will be going through alignment group in Excel. So after watching this video, you will be familiar with alignment group and you will feel more comfortable to work with it. So without wasting much more time, let's start our video, guys. First of all, let me write the sample text here. So just simple, let me write the text, word text here, and let me zoom a bit here so you can see it properly. So here you can see, let me move it towards up. So first of all, the first option we will see here is there a group of these three alignments, and these are the vertical alignments. So to teach you about this, let me increase the size of the cell. So first of all, I will increase the size of the cell. So as you can see, the size of my cell has been increased. Let me bold the text a bit so it gets more easy to understand. So if I want to bring my text to the center of the cell, you can see if I want to bring my text to this point, so I will use the middle option here. You can see the middle alignment. This is the top one, this is the middle one, and this is the lower one. By default, it is set to the lower one. If I click on the bottom one, you can see our text have been moved to bottom. So if we want to bring our text to the top of our cell, so what we will do, we will select the top option. So let's check it. As I click on it, you can see the text has been moved up. So this is how we can move our text up and down vertically. So this is the vertical alignment in Excel. The next group we are going to study is the horizontal alignment. So for this, I will increase the height of the width of our column. So let me increase the width. So as you can see, now the width of my text of my column has been increased. So in this type of alignment, it brings your text to this side section, to the middle of horizontally. So if you want to bring your text to the middle here, this section, like middle here, this position, or this position, we will use these options. So as I click on this middle alignment, it brings my text to the middle. As I click on right alignment, align right, it aligns my text to the right, and the same for the left alignment. So this is how you can align your text horizontally and vertically. We have studied both of these things. So I am going to tell you, if you want to bring your text, if you have a large cell, if you want to bring your text to the center of your cell, so how will you do it? So just simple. First of all, we will bring our text to the middle horizontally, and then we will click on this option. This will align our text to the middle. So this is how we will bring our text to the center of our box. So this is our first option we learned in Excel. Now we are going to see the other option. So the next option we are going to see is this tiny option here. You can see it. This is the text orient. Let me check it. Yes, text orientation. So as you can see a logo on it, it can change the degrees of your text or rotate your text. In simple, it will rotate your text. So if I want to rotate this text, same thing. So if I want to rotate my text, I will click on it. The first option you will see counterclockwise. As you click on it, you can see your text has been aligned. Then the other options, angle clockwise, and other options, vertical text. So this is how you can change the direction of your text. So yeah, this one. If you want to change the direction of your text, custom custom direction of your text, like you want to set your text to 30 degrees. We will click a little tiny option in here. You can see at the corner of the alignment group, you can see this tiny option. As we will click on it, a format cells dialog will open. You can see here in the alignment, you will find orientation section. Here you will find the orientation section, and here you will find the degrees option. So as I suppose I enter 30 and then click on it, okay, then you can see the direction my text has been rotated to 30 degrees. So this is how you can rotate your text in Excel. Just a simple option. So moving towards the next two options we have here are the increase and decrease indent options. Let me show you. These are two options, increase and decrease indent options. So let's also check how do they work. So first of all, let me bring my text back to the normal position. I will just go to this format cells dialog, and then here I will type as 0, and then I will click on OK. So this is my default orientation of my text. So now let me remove the alignments here, and then like this. So as you can see, the simple option here, alignment, brings your text in the middle. So if you don't want to bring your text into the middle, else you want to add a bit spacing from the border of the text, you want to add a bit spacing so from the border for the text. So let's see it practically. So as I click on this option, this will increase the indent. So let me first tell you this option. As I click on it, you can see my text is moving towards right, and as I click on this option, my text is moving towards left. So this is how you can move your text towards from right to left and left to right without using the center alignment or alignment options. So this is increasing an indent, and this is the increasing indent. So you can see here you will see in the decrease indent, move your content closer to the cell border. So you can also hover the options in the Excel, and then you can see their work or how do they work. So these are two options we discussed. Now the next option we are going to see is the wrap text option. You will see it clearly, the wrap text option. So it is used when your text doesn't get fit in a single cell. So let me first create a situation and a scenario. So now as you can see, I will write a sentence here. So this is my text. I have written a sentence here. As you can see, the text is overflowing from F column, G column, and then enters into the H column. So your text is going over multiple columns. So if you want your text to remain in a single cell, so we will use this option. You can see the wrap text option here. As I click on it, you can see as I will increase the size from here, now you will see that the text has been wrapped and it is in a single cell. So this is how you can bring your text into the single text. It is a very single cell. It is a very easy method. So I hope it will be useful for you. So the next option we are going to see, the last option but not the least of this series. So we have the here merge and center. So before telling you this option, let me first create the scenario. So let me bring it back to the normal as it was earlier, as it was overflowing the cells. So let me remove the wrap text. So as you can see, my text is overflowing into multiple columns, and it is crossing the border. As you can see, there is a border among these. So if you want, let's consider it is your heading. So we will use this option as it will merge these three cells and bring your text to the center. So let's check it practically. So you can see as I click on merge in center, it merges these three cells. Merge mean combining or joining joining things. So it joins three of our columns and aligns the text to center. So you can see these three cells have now become a single cell. As I click on this here, it selects the three of cells as a single cell. So you can see the other options here in the drop down. As I click on it, you will see merge across option and merge. Let me select the merge across. Why isn't it getting selected? So let me select it now. As I click on it, it will merge across. So you can see three of my cells have been merged, but my text have not been aligned to the middle. So this only merges our cell and doesn't align our text to center. So this is the second option. The third option we will see here, merge cell, the same as the previous option, and this is used to unmerge our cells. As I click on it, our cell will get normal. So you can see my cells are being selected separately. So this is all about the alignment group in Excel. I hope now you will be familiar with the alignment group, and it will be easy for you to work with alignment group in Excel. So if you like my video, guys, subscribe my channel and like my videos and share my video with other people so they also get informed like you. So see you in the next video, guys.